All right, so I haven't driven my 97 TJ, in a couple of months because of this. Can't operate the clutch. But I come out every couple of weeks and start it up and just let it idle for a while. And when it started up yesterday, it did this. Younger me would have just turned up the radio and lived with it until it cleared itself out, but there's something stuck in there. I'm hoping it's not a mouse nest. I have pulled blower motors out before and found rodents have nested in there. Why they like that, I don't know. They don't give you much room, so battery's got to come out, and it looks like the computer might come out because this thing under here is the fan. First thing I'm going to do is remove the battery. And the computer's got to come out. I'm not going to unplug it. I'm just going to undo the bolts and see if I can just set it to the side. Here's a trick a lot of people don't know. You have this screwdriver with the placeable tip. That's a 8mm or 5/16. These things are just sheet metal screws, only into the body about that far. There's 3 8mm sheet metal screws holding it in. It's hard to see with the computer in a way. Even my chickens are laughing at my lack of videography skills. Yummy. I don't know if you can see it, but in that dark corner, I keep pulling crap out. Luckily, they make a special tool just for this purpose. See, the fan's got this part here. It's got to correlate with that down there. That I didn't figure out. And with a little finagling, it finally went in. Then you just put it all back together. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Moment of truth. Turn the key on. Nothing but nice air. Alright, that's a win. Well, there you have it. If your blower motor's loud, probably something stuck in it. There's a lot of trash in there. And a lot of trash around the blower motor resistor, which controls the speed of the motor. And that thing gets hot, so it might have started a fire. I don't know. I'm glad I cleaned it out. But cheap and easy to do. Those are the kind of fixes I like. All right, if this hasn't put you to sleep, check out my podcast, 10-Minute Off-Road Podcast for the off-road with short attention span, where it's just me babbling on about stuff that doesn't really matter to anybody but me. And there'll be a card for it up here. If that didn't put you to sleep, check out one of my other fine videos, like this one here. And if you didn't like that one, try that one down there. And as always, thanks for watching.